Have you ever wondered how you can connect your own Gmail or Outlook account to your HubSpot portal? In this video, I'm going to walk you exactly through the steps here, which are actually pretty quick and very straightforward to follow. So let's just dive into it with the Gmail account first. So you would log into your HubSpot portal. Right now I'm in the correct section, but I'll show you how I got here. So let's say your default view, maybe your context view, you log into HubSpot, then you should actually go to this section right here, which is the gear icon. So click on that one, settings, and then just go to your preferences, hit general, and then you would choose the email tab. And once you hit the email tab, you can see that you can connect your own personal email. I've already connected my professional corporate email, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll show you how you would connect a Gmail account specifically. So in this case, I always hit, as you can see, I hit connect personal email. You'll choose to turn on inbox automation. This is usually suggested because you can, as you can see here, you can send and schedule emails from HubSpot, so directly from HubSpot. No need to at the same time via Gmail. You can log email replies to HubSpot automatically, and you can suggest follow-up tasks and capture contact details from your email. So that's great. We'll choose to connect our inbox and turn on inbox automation. Then here I'm just going to type in my new email address, hit next. It will automatically detect that it's hosted by Gmail, so we'll just hit connect to Gmail. And then we want to agree to this. It is a very straightforward privacy policy, so let's do that. Continue, and then just choose our account, which is this one at the bottom, and then allow HubSpot to access our data. It should be pretty safe, and we've agreed to that policy, so that should be good to go. HubSpot is doing some testing here before it actually gives us a successful connection, so let's just wait. Perfect. So it is now connected to HubSpot. I do suggest downloading the extension, which will make it easier for you to have your data visibility. Well, actually, your email activity visibility on straight from your browser, so that should be good. HubSpot has extensions for Gmail and Outlook, and we'll look at in a minute how you would set up go through the same process for an Outlook account. But in this case, I already have downloaded this extension, so I'll just choose no thanks here, and you can see that now my account is set up here. Now, why would this be useful? Very simply, I'm just going to go to a mock-up contact that I created. You can see that the email is misspelled here on purpose. So, but just to kind of show you how this would work is if you go to your contacts, choose any one of your contacts. Here I chose this one actually, which is it is myself, but definitely with that misspelled email. So it is pretty safe to actually even try to send an email. So I'll just choose the email section here, and in here you can see I can choose either or of my emails. Here I by default put my Gmail, but I can also choose my professional email, and so you can go back and forth between what you wanna do. And yeah, if I choose to just send this person out an email, I would be able to do it either via my personal email or my corporate email. And that's pretty much how you would connect a Gmail account to your HubSpot. So you have now seen how you would connect your Gmail account to your HubSpot portal, which is actually very useful, and the majority of users are okay with just knowing how to do exactly that. But I would want to open the opportunity for us to check how you would do this exact same procedure with an Outlook account, which doesn't differ too much, but it definitely is useful to walk through those steps. So let's just check them out right now. So now we go back to the same section here, and we can then just hit connect personal email again and turn on inbox automation, connect your inbox. And then here I will just type my personal Outlook email. So we just want to do this same thing for Outlook. Connect to Outlook. So yeah, it detects that it is an Outlook account. I will say yes to this. I will sign into my account, and then that's how I will grant access to it. The connection is complete, so now it is establishing the connection, sending a test email, then it will verify it, and we will see it succeed in just a moment. Perfect. It is now connected to HubSpot. I will just say no thanks for this particular extension, and now our personal email, Outlook email, is actually connected to our same HubSpot portal as our personal Gmail and our corporate G Suite Gmail. So we can also see how that works in a specific contact. So for this contact, I will also want to send him an email, but via my Outlook email. If I want to do that, that can be done. So I'll just refresh the page, hit the email part of it, and then I will just choose my Outlook account now as the sender. And so that's pretty much how you would be able to set up your own Outlook account as well as your Gmail account. And that should be the way that you will be able to send emails with any one of the three accounts that you, or three or more accounts that you have connected. So you now know how to connect your Gmail account or an Outlook account or both to your own HubSpot portal. You now also know how to select either one of those as a sender in an email to any one of your HubSpot contacts. Remember, education is great, but the execution is where it's at. So go out there and be the hub hero that your organization needs today.